We have a Mercedes ML. This one door lock broken. It's a common problem. First we need to remove the door lock cylinder from the car. Remove the cover here. This is a W1 using a 20mm Torx. Two pin here, remove. After remove, you can remove the back cover. Then you can put it back like this. Want to remove the cylinder from the core, then you have to remove this pin and this pin. Then you can pull out. Then you can access to the key cylinder. And from here you can make the key. Now we have the perfect looking lock. Just need to install back and test. Tighten the screw, test the lock.